Come in.
Oh, here we go. I don't know where you got these fireworks from, Rich. Huh? Oh, back at lorry. Huh? No. No. Keep around. Get them all on camera. Get them up on YouTube later on. How's life down in Cornwall then, Alan?
Alright, okay. Very busy really, on a lot of work.
Is it?
Well, I have been, yeah. There's some of doing walling. Massive wall to build.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, that other one was a disgrace. Huh?
Don't you two start slagging out?
Oh, well, no, what, but from that, what with experience? Firework game, we know what we're talking about.
It's chicken, isn't it?
Look back there. Freaking hot, isn't it? Yeah. Oh. Well, that was a disgrace. It was about three puffs and that was it.
I never thought it just to take that weed killer stuff I've got down there. No, to put on here.
Oh, right. Thought that was to get
spray all this.
You know, you need about 500 gallons, wouldn't you?
No, the stuff I've got in half good.
Really?
Diluted down as a gallon of it, done half kill it.
What's it called?
I don't know, I bought it from a farm shop.
It's not paraquat or something, is it?
No.
Blimey, that's echoing at Alan. Huh?